Here's another tip for HB8 guys out there, the two owners and soon to be third owner out there, to figure out if your arms are square, which shouldn't be a problem because the blocks hold it in place square, no problem. If it tightens up properly, this is a good way to test and to eliminate any idea that your wobbles or anything like that would be causing you trouble. Put the HB8 up on 8 video cassettes or the similar sized objects, whatever you could find. 2x4s. If you have two 2x4s, you could just put two 2x4s down the sides. And if it's all equal in height on a good flat floor, you'll be able to see that the motor mounts, the nuts on the bottom of the motor mounts, will stay flush on each surface. And even see the tension of the weight on them so that your quad is laying flat like that. And then you'll know that at least your frame is square and equal flat motor positions. And by looking at your HB8 on different angles, you'll be able to become familiar with what is true after crashes. And this is still the prototype, so it's not the finished frames that I'm selling. But from all the crashes I've had so far, and I did have a good 30-foot drop into the grass there, and one arm didn't even move. So if you tighten down these bolts for your arms, you should have a pretty rigid frame. And like I said, you don't want to tighten all the way down to damage the carbon fiber tube, but use some discretion. But you can still use a T-handle and tighten it that way gently. So that's the setup. And right now I've got the FR Sky antennas, one coming out the top and one coming out the bottom, and that way I've put some plastic, some very, very thin plastic tubing through one of the holes in the frame to protect the antenna when it crashes, and the bottom as well when it lands. So this way I'll have signal when it's buried in the grass, because last time I had both my antennas sticking out the bottom. And we'll see what kind of interference I get from the 1.3 to that. But so far range, I would say, was about 1 kilometer so far. So, and video was perfect out that far. I didn't have any glitching at all, really. So now that the GoPro is ready to record with one Velcro strap on the top here and just a small 1/4-inch piece of foam on the bottom, we're going to go out and do some wild flying, I hope, for a change. So thanks to all my subscribers for being so patient. Yeah, picture's perfect. I'll do a bank turn.
Yep.